This video goes with number 12 on the CBA review. It says, describe the transformation from graph number 1 to graph number 2. Now this one specifically labels which one's which for us, so it's not parent graph to transformed graph. So I would suggest using the vertex points to help you decide how it is transformed. So here's graph 1, graph 2. Okay, so if I'm going from here to here, I need to go right. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 to the right. Right, 14. And then to get to that new point, gotta go up 4. Okay, and it is from here to here. So then I check my options, translated right 14 units and up 4. So my first option is my correct answer. Simple as that.